This is Code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Discoveries course. I'm on Unit 3, Animation and Games, Project, Design a Game, Part 4, where we're creating a game. And here's what I have so far. Kind of a mess, but I got my variables declared, and I'm going to keep going. Create your background. Next, you'll create all of the background functions that you need for your game. Some games only have one background, and others have more than one. That's chosen according to, you'll write the code to choose the correct background in the next level. Show me block. After you create your function, test them by calling them inside the draw loop. One background per test. Got it. All right. So I guess we should start then by adding our background. I am going to... Now, we have an option. I can draw a background as in color, or I can select one of their animations for a background. Let's see here. I was hoping for something more deserty. Oh, that's kind of deserty. I don't like the road, though. Yep, we're going to make our own. Goodbye to that. All right. So for my background, then, I am going to use drawing. Background. Sky blue. Let's test this. There we are. Sky blue. And then I need a rectangle for the ground. And I'm going to set my rectangle up probably at like 350 for Y, so it's near the bottom. X is going to be 0 because remember rectangles are drawn from their left corner. Their height, 350. I should only need 50, I believe. Width, should be 400. Let's see. Oh, I mixed those up. That I want to be 4. That I want to be 50. Let's see. There we are. All right. And then I'm going to do no stroke. I don't want an outline. And then for fill, I want it to be, I don't know, will tan work? That's better. Okay. That looks alright for me. And then sky's fine. Maybe I want to add a sun. I know they have a sun animation, but I think I will... You know what? I'm going to leave this simple for now. So that's our background. It will draw each time. Great. Let's keep going.